Check out this AI influencer prompt. It's a detailed JSON structure that controls every aspect of the generated image. The subject is a young woman on a yoga mat, post-workout, wiping sweat with a towel. The prompt specifies her exact expression. Accomplished, slightly breathless, with a confident smile. Hair is blonde with highlights in a messy high ponytail. Clothing details go deep. A dusty rose-pink sports bra with strappy back detail, and black high-waisted leggings with mesh panels. Even the accessories are specified: diamond studs, rose gold fitness tracker, and a matte black water bottle with condensation. The photography section defines the camera style as a gym selfie aesthetic, and the background is a fully described modern gym studio with specific elements. Now let's see what Nano Banana 2 creates from this prompt. This next prompt is pure chaos meets couture. Picture this: a young woman in a champagne silk ball gown sitting on a gritty New York subway platform, eating a dollar slice of pizza. The prompt captures every detail: cheese string visible, grease stain on the paper plate, bare feet on dirty concrete. She's wearing a massive diamond necklace that reflects the harsh platform lights. The environment is described precisely: white subway tile walls with grime in the grout, an overflowing trash can, that yellow safety strip on the platform edge. The photography is set to a wide-angle selfie from above, capturing the absurd contrast of silk and concrete. High contrast, chaotic, authentic. This is the kind of prompt that creates something truly unique. Let's see what Nano Banana 2 makes of it. Now this is where prompts get seriously cinematic. We're creating a dystopian movie set scene with a young influencer caught in the middle of it. The prompt describes her as frozen mid-action, as if she's just stumbled onto a film set. The clothing is carefully defined: torn tactical jacket over a designer crop top, combat boots but with fashion lacing. What makes this special is the lighting setup. It calls for harsh overhead tungsten mixed with cyan smoke machine haze. The background describes production equipment: lights on stands, cables on the floor, a slate board in the corner. But the subject is styled like she belongs on Instagram, not in an action movie. That contrast is what makes AI images go viral. Let's see the result from Nano Banana 2. This prompt takes a completely different approach. It's a fashion editorial with strict project constraints. Right at the top, it specifies 100% original facial features. Do not edit the face. That's a pro technique for consistent AI influencer creation. The subject details are meticulous: specific hair texture and color, exact makeup description, precise body positioning. The clothing section describes a high-fashioned outfit with fabric physics: how the material drapes, where it catches light, where it creases naturally. The camera setup mimics a professional fashion shoot: studio strobes at 45 degrees, a large softbox as key light. The background is a clean studio sweep. Every technical detail serves a purpose. This level of specificity is what separates amateur AI images from professional ones. Let's see what Nano Banana 2 produces. Here we have a sultry portrait prompt built around mood and atmosphere. The subject is described as a young female model with fair skin, head tilted slightly to one side. But what makes this prompt special is the lighting and texture detail. It calls for warm golden hour light filtering through sheer curtains, creating soft shadows across the face. The skin texture is specified as realistic, with visible pores and natural imperfections, not the usual airbrushed look. Clothing is minimal, but described precisely, including how the fabric drapes and catches light. The camera section specifies a shallow depth of field with soft bokeh, mimicking an 85mm portrait lens. The mood is intimate and candid, as if the viewer stumbled into a private moment. Stunning concept. Let's see what Nano Banana 2 creates. This prompt recreates the classic iPhone mirror selfie look. The metadata section right at the top specifies iPhone Pro Max photography, 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. That sets the whole tone. The subject is described in detail, specific outfit, exact hairstyle, particular accessories. What I love about this prompt is the phone details. It specifies the exact camera behavior, front-facing wide-angle distortion, the slight barrel effect you get from selfie cameras. The mirror reflection is described with realistic imperfections, slight blur at the edges, bathroom lighting reflecting off glass. The background is a normal apartment bathroom, not a studio. Toothbrush holder visible, towel on a hook. Those mundane details are what trick the AI into creating something that looks genuinely real. Let's see the result from Nano Banana 2. Night out flash photography. This prompt recreates that specific look of a phone flash hitting someone outside a club. The lighting section is key. It calls for direct phone flash as key light, with vending machine internal lights as fill. That two-source lighting creates the glossy nightlife aesthetic. The subject is described in a deep squat in front of a vending machine, looking back over her shoulder at the camera. The pose is very specific. Which arm does what, exact head position, body angle. Clothing is detailed down to fabric behavior, how the material stretches, where it catches flash highlights. The atmosphere is described as spontaneous, candid street energy. Flash photography in AI is hard to get right, but this prompt nails it with the technical specifications. Let's see what Nano Banana 2 does with this one. Caught mid-frame. This prompt captures something most AI images miss, that transitional moment when someone isn't posing. The subject is described as a fashion influencer, caught during a live stream while adjusting her top. It's an unguarded moment between performative confidence and private self-awareness. The camera is specified as an iPhone front-facing camera during a live stream, with all the technical imperfections that implies. Wide-angle distortion, screen light flattening, minor motion blur. The image character section explicitly describes this as a live stream frame grab, not intended as a polished photo. Compression artifacts consistent with live stream capture are specified. These imperfection tokens are what make AI images feel authentic instead of artificial. Brilliant prompting technique. Let's see the result.